Okay, here we need to find x, right? We need to find x here. So how to do? Now here they tell no DC and DO equal, right? This is not look like equal. That's why here they tell diagram is not to scale. Anyway, now DC equal to OD, no? That means if I mark here this and this equal, that means this ODC is a isosceles triangle. Then opposite angle of the equal side must be equal. That means now DC opposite angle is this one, right? This is the DC. If I make like this the same way like this, that means this is the last angle. So here this and this must be equal. Now this one, if I make like this is the last angle. This one, if I make like this way to cover the triangle, this is the last angle. So these two should be equal. Try to understand because some are confused with this. What the opposite angle of equal side? So this side equal this side equal this side. No, this side opposite angle is this one. This side opposite angle is this one. That means these two equal. So here should be x, right? Okay. And then not only that, now OD and OE also radius of same circle. So that's why OD must be equal to OE. Huh? But the reason radius of same circle. So these two equal, right? That also we can mark. And then after we have learned, but this is another theorem we have learned. When you have like this way, if this is like this x, this should be 2x, right? That means we call normally exterior angle. When you extended one side of a triangle, this exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite angle, total of the interior opposite angle. That means this two must be equal to this one. Try to remind this formula, this theorem we learned earlier. This two equal to this one. That means in this ODC triangle, if you thought this CD extend like this way, this must be equal to total of these two. That means here x plus x must be equal to this. That means here 2x, right? This is 2x. And then again, now these two equal, no? I mean OD and OE. This is isosceles triangle, OED, isosceles triangle. That means this side opposite angle again, like here, we can think here also for the EOD triangle also we can think like this. But this side opposite angle is this, this side opposite angle is this. That means these two equal. That means if this is 2x, this also must be 2x. This also must be 2x. Okay, now we can find this angle. How? This angle we can tell what the, if I put here another letter, right? No, I will put EOD triangle. I will name this as EOD. It's okay. Now I can write this way, no? EOD angle plus 2x plus 2x. That means this plus this should be 180. So 2x plus 2x equal to 180. So from this I can get EOD how 180 minus 2x plus 2x means 4x. 4x when I bring to here it will be minus 4x. This is the angle of this one for the EOD. Now we find this all three angle. This one we have, they given this one, this plus this must be again 180. Then we can find x, right? This angle is for the 180 minus 4x. This one, if I name this one, what the name what the size, it's 180 minus 4x, like that you can tell this is. So then you can write, because AOBC is a straight line, they tell no AOBC is a straight line, this is a straight line. So that's why you can write what the finally 70 plus this angle I can write like this, what the 180 minus 4x, and this angle again x plus x equal to 180, right? Now I need to solve this, right? here will be 180 plus 70. It will be what the 250. And here minus 4x plus x mean minus 4x plus x mean what the minus 3x and equal to 180, right? Here minus 4x plus 4x, you can think here plus 1x minus 4 plus 1, like that. So it will be minus 3x. Normally we tell bigger one sign and get the difference of 4 and 1, so 3, like that way. Okay, then I need to find x now. What I will do, this minus 4x I will bring to here, 180 I will bring to here. I can change now the side. So minus 3x when I bring to here, it will be plus 3x, and 180 when I bring to here, it will be 250 minus 180. So what the answer here, right? Here answer will be 250 minus 180 mean what the 0 minus 0, 5 minus 8 you can't, 15 minus 8 is 70, right? And here here 1 minus 1 0, so here will be 3x equals 70. So if we divide both sides by 3, for the x I will get decimal answer here. What the 7 2 in here will be 23.33, like that, right? Recurring decimal. This is the answer for x equal 23.33.